It was only when her case attracted national media attention the local cemetery found a place for Jenny Bautista's brother, Joel. She was desperate.
We have decided to bury him in the garden in the front of my house because there's no other solution. What could I do with my dead brother in my house, with that smell?
Peru in the last 2 months has recorded more than 15,000 deaths from the COVID-19 virus. Health experts say the true figure is probably much higher. Cemeteries are overwhelmed despite doing all they can to accommodate the increased demand.
As you can see, the San LAZARO cemetery is on the verge of collapse, which is complicated by the situation the world is in. So we're trying to adapt our tombs to mitigate this situation in our cemeteries.
But despite their best efforts, it's not enough. Not with nearly 2 million people in Peru infected and 62,000 deaths.
Unfortunately, although Peru is a rich country, my people are dying. They are buried clandestinely in the hills by just digging a hole.
Peru's underfunded health system is overwhelmed and oxygen is scarce. And a vaccination programme beset by corruption scandals, which has reached less than 2% of the population, offers little hope. Some have taken extreme measures.
I saw there were no places in the cemeteries and was worried there was nowhere to take the dead, nor money to bury them. That is my concern, and that's why I am building this, so my grave is ready.
Many regions of Latin America simply don't have the infrastructure to cope with sharp increases in COVID-19 deaths. Earlier in the pandemic, bodies were left on the streets in the Ecuadorian city of Guayaquil, and the cemeteries of the Brazilian Amazon city of Manaus overflowed. As the second wave continues to bite, dealing with the dead is again presenting a huge challenge. Daniel Schweimler, Al Jazeera,